So this is the right side of layout 2 that I've put together. This is the sheet that goes all the way down, and then you've got the toffee grid and the 6-inch zip strip, which is a 1/4 inch. So what I've done with the photo mats is just put them down and put the photo mats on top with the flip flap over the top. These ones I've done a little bit differently and just edged them a little bit. And these are the stickers. I've foam dotted that one, but as you can see, this is still not stuck down properly. This is the title that we looked at before, the shortbread, the little cluster. Again, I haven't stuck them down because it goes over the photos. 3D foam, that's the wooden arrow, and some beautiful lagoon dots. So let's look at the 2 pages together. So this is them. There's a few blank spots because that's where the journaling goes. You can put that there, or you know, if you want to, you could put another photo there. It all depends on how much journaling you've got. But the 2 flip flaps, 1 and 2. So we've got extra photos in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 11 photos. So that's not too bad for a 2-page spread. So let's go on to the 3rd layout, and then we've just got the cards. So I hope you're going well. I'd love you to post the photos of your layouts that you've done, and when I finished all this, I will put photos on, and so on the virtual workshop day I will have photos showing what my page layout looks like with the actual photos and journaling strips. So can't wait.